Welcome back to the channel, traders. If you're looking to get into Forex trading or you're considering switching platforms, this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into the top trusted Forex trading platforms you should consider in 2024. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, choosing the right platform is crucial for your success in the Forex market. 1. MetaTrader 4, MT4. MetaTrader 4 is one of the most popular trading platforms in the Forex market. It's known for its ease of use, advanced charting tools, and expert advisor features that allow you to automate your trades. If you're just starting out, MT4 offers a great balance of simplicity and functionality, making it a go-to platform for millions of traders worldwide. 2. MetaTrader 5, MT5. MetaTrader 5 is the successor to MT4 and offers more advanced features, such as additional timeframes, more charting options, and enhanced order types. MT5 is perfect for those who want to explore additional assets beyond Forex, including stocks and commodities. If you're looking for a more versatile platform with even more tools to enhance your trading experience, MT5 is a great choice. 3. CTrader. CTrader is another excellent Forex trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and high-speed execution. It offers features like advanced charting, multiple order types, and automated trading via CAlgo. CTrader is favored by professional traders for its clean layout and powerful trading tools. NinjaTrader is a highly regarded platform, especially for active traders. It supports multiple asset classes and has a reputation for its robust charting and backtesting capabilities. If you're into automated trading or algorithmic strategies, NinjaTrader is one platform you should consider. While TradingView is not a traditional Forex broker, its charting tools are incredibly popular among traders. It offers a browser-based platform with social features, allowing you to analyze markets and share strategies with other traders. If you're already using another broker for your trades, TradingView's charts can be integrated for a seamless trading experience. Why choosing a trusted Forex platform is important. When choosing a Forex trading platform, trustworthiness is key. You need to make sure that the platform you choose is regulated, offers low spreads, fast execution speeds, and excellent customer support. An unreliable platform can lead to unexpected slippage, high fees, or worse, financial loss. Always check reviews, ratings, and whether the platform is regulated by authorities like the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, or CYSEC before making your decision. Sign up for the best Forex trading platforms. If you're ready to start trading, make sure to check out the link in the description and comments below to open an account with some of the best and most trusted Forex trading platforms in the market today. These platforms are regulated and offer excellent tools for both beginners and professional traders. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Forex trading tips and platform reviews. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Got any questions or need recommendations for platforms? Drop a comment below, and we'll be happy to assist you.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.